So, your renovation is finally complete. The paint is dry, the floors are in, and the builders have packed up. You're ready to enjoy your new space, almost. Because before you kick back and relax, there's one final hurdle to face: post-construction cleaning. Almost every renovation leaves behind a fine layer of dust and debris that settles into every corner. It clings to your walls, buries itself in soft furnishings, and floats through the air you breathe. And if it's not properly cleaned, that beautiful new space won't feel so fresh for long. Let's walk through the key steps to clean thoroughly and safely after a renovation and get your home or workplace truly ready. The first step is prep. Start by opening windows and doors to ventilate the space and let fresh air in. This helps lingering dust settle and makes breathing easier while you clean. Clear out as much as you can from the rooms you'll be working in. Then, cover any furniture or fixtures that can't be moved with plastic sheeting. And make sure you're protected. Wear a dust mask, safety goggles, and gloves. Construction dust isn't something you want to inhale or spread around. Now it's time to gather your cleaning gear. At home, that includes a HEPA filter vacuum, shop vac, microfiber cloths, damp sponges, mop and bucket, and a mix of general and specialised cleaners depending on your surfaces. Don't forget air filter replacements, trash bags, a step stool for high areas, and of course, your personal protective equipment. If you're cleaning a commercial space, you'll need to scale up. Think industrial vacuums, floor scrubbers, extension poles for ceilings and ductwork, and larger waste disposal systems. You may also need air scrubbers to improve indoor air quality in large or high traffic areas. With your tools in hand, begin with soft surfaces. Vacuum carpets, rugs, curtains, and upholstered furniture thoroughly. Dust often embeds itself deep in fabrics and fibres, and, if left untouched, it can irritate allergies and make the space feel unclean. Remove furniture cushions, vacuum every part, and go over everything more than once if needed. Next, move on to hard surfaces. Start at the top. Yes, even your walls collect dust during renovation. Dry dusting is best to avoid damaging paint or wallpaper, but a lightly damp cloth can work too, depending on the surface. Always test a small area first. Clean mouldings, cabinets, and shelves, especially inside the corners, and wipe countertops and flat surfaces. Save the floors for last. Sweep or vacuum thoroughly, then mop hard floors from wall to remove the final layer of dust. Then comes one of the most important but often overlooked steps: cleaning your air vents and replacing filters. Even if you've only renovated one room, construction dust can travel through your HVAC system. Clean vent covers with warm, soapy water. Let them dry completely and insert fresh filters before replacing them. This is crucial for maintaining clean, breathable air in your space. Finally, tackle the small but mighty details. Ceiling fan blades, light fixtures, lampshades, electronics, appliances, and decorative pieces all collect dust. Wipe them down carefully to complete the clean and give your space that polished, finished feeling. Of course, if all of this sounds overwhelming, you're not alone. After a major renovation, it's normal to feel exhausted. If you're short on time, energy, or equipment, hiring a professional post-construction cleaning team can make all the difference. They bring the right tools, the right techniques, and the trained hands to restore your space quickly and thoroughly. So instead of spending days scrubbing dust from your dream home, let the experts take over and enjoy your clean, refreshed space without the stress.